Hello everybody, this is Dance Shape.
And this is Social Tango with Jonathan Saavedra and Clarisa Aragón.
Thank you for watching. We are going to look to explore a little bit more in the embrace, okay?
Exactly.
So,
one thing that we're going to pay attention here is when we want to close and more our embrace, right? The intention for us to start from here, from the true embrace. The position and the posture is very important, right? But if we think too much in the position, too much in the posture, sometimes it's very difficult to find one comfortable embrace for us. But if in one way we think just in the close embrace or true embrace, in one moment too, probably we're going to lose the balance of these kind of things because our posture is not the correct, we can say in one way.
from here to my head, we are going to look to stay up, okay? This intention to stay up is not by chest.
Exactly. For this, I take Jonathan from here, right? That is.
Practice, remember to practice. El tango es una forma de vivir.